Hi, it's Kevin May, the Editor-in-Chief of PhocusWire. We're here at the Phocuswright Conference 2021 in our PhocusWire Studio. Delighted, obviously, to be joined by Jonathan Carter, a kind of comrade of sorts.
Yes.
You're the Portfolio Marketing Manager at TravelTech Show.
That's right.
We're all part of a big, happy family.
We are.
And you're going to talk to us because TravelTech Show is going to be back in 2022 for the first time in what will be, I guess, 3 years by then for its first in-person event. So, Jonathan, tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, it's very exciting. Like you said, we were virtual in 2020, so we haven't been meeting face-to-face since 2019. And we're really excited. So we've got a new home, XL London. We're going to be co-located once again with the Business Travel Show Europe and now with the Meeting Show. So it's going to be a massive 3-event kind of side of XL. It's going to be a fantastic couple of days on the 29th and the 30th of June, 2022.
Okay. And for those that don't know, so XL is in East London. You used to be at Olympia.
Yes.
And I remember the days when you used to be at Earl's Court too. That shows how long I've
So do I.
Yeah, okay.
And then the Business Design Centre before then.
Oh my goodness, you're even older than I am. So anyway, so what will be new for the show in 2022, Jonathan?
So we've got lots new this year. So we're going to have a VIP club, which we're launching. So we used to have a VIP program back in 2019. But this year, so next year, we're changing up a little bit. It's still for senior travel and tourism tech buyers from across Europe, but we've got some more exclusive benefits this year. So we're going to have an on-site clubhouse.
Okay.
Kind of a little bit of change from your regular lounge. See lunches, networking events, and pre-scheduled appointments with the exhibitors. So people on the program can really structure their time. They can choose the exhibitors they want to meet and book appointments with them ahead.
And one of the strong things that I've often been involved in at TravelTech Show is the content. So you get lots of your exhibitors that we'll be presenting as well. There are mini debates and discussions and things like that. So is there anything new for the content, or is it just more of the excellent same, as it were?
Lots of the excellent same, but we've got something new this year. So because 2020 we were a global virtual event, we didn't want to lose that global element of the show by coming back in person. So we're going to have our global stage. So that's going to have content that covers all the trends and issues from across the globe, but taking place at the show in XL. And that's going to be streamed virtually. So anyone who can't make it to London can also watch it online as well.
That's terrific. So is there anything else that you want to tell us about the show?
Sure. So we're also going to be bringing back our Trailblazer Fund and awards for our startups.
Tell us about the Trailblazer Fund.
So it's a fund that new startups can access to contribute to the cost of exhibiting. So they apply, and we kind of go through a vetting process, and they get a stand, and they get to obviously meet all the exhibitors. This year, Tour Amigo won, which was really great. We're also going to bring back our tech huddles. So those are our kind of intimate discussions. We've got our business travel tech zone. So because we're co-located with the business travel zone, we've got our crossover area, and that's for the technology providers that are targeted towards the corporate travel sector. Plus, of course, all our fantastic exhibitors and suppliers are going to be there.
And I think for those that are watching that perhaps haven't been to an in-person event for a couple of years, you know, we're here at the first day of the Phocuswright Conference, and it's quite extraordinary that people just seem to be quite happy to be at an event and hanging out with people, whether it's in here or in the bars late at night, and just kind of being around people again. And I sense that that's probably going to continue into next year as well as events come back, right?
Definitely, yeah. We've definitely seen for when we had a Business Travel Show and the Meeting Show in the UK a couple of months ago, that everyone was very excited and very much really wanted to get back to being in person again. So long may that continue.
Okay, comrades Jonathan Carter, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.